Cats Clones, open na! Merry Christmas! Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corn cob pipe and a button nose and two legs made of gold. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. Merry Christmas!
Nabiting ka ba?
One more time!
Music! Go ahead!
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corn-cob pipe and a button nose and a legs made of gold. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day.
Eto na po ang kantahan na may instant pa-premyo.
Team Studio, ang mga VIP natin na pwede maglaro at manalo ng tip na hawak ng ating mga Dabber Cats. Mamaya, hawak na yan. Hawak na ni Karen, ni Riza, at ni May.
Okay, game.
Oy, shout. Bati muna kayo ating mga concert artists. Hello, Dabber Cats! Alright.
Riza, teka lang. Concert Riza. Shout out, VIPs. Are you ready? Eto na, hanap na tayo ng VIP.
Here we go!
Frosty the Snowman is a very happy snow. With a corn-cob pipe and a button nose and a
Uy!
Ang ating unang VIP may lagnat.
Good morning.
Baka giniginaw lang.
Giniginaw.
Cuddle weather night.
Yay. Anong pangalan?
Justin po.
Sige nga, Justin. Hingang malalim.
Hop, check up.
Okay, parang medyo may sinat nga. Okay. Halika dito, Justin.
Pasok.
Diretso tayo sa clinic.
Justin, pare, taga saan ka? Taga saan ka?
Binangonan Rizal po.
Binangonan, Rizal.
Kasama niya yung mga nanay mo, yung mga tita mo, lola mo.
Dabber Cats.
Ha?
Ayun po, mga kaibigan ko po yung dalawa.
Sino dyan?
Ayun po.
Doon.
Nagtuturo.
Oh.
Ikaw ba, pare, nag-aaral pa?
Opo.
Anong pinag-aaralan?
Ano po, second year college po, BSBA Marketing Management.
Marketing Management.
Sophomore. Pag ganyang marketing management, kumakanta yan.
Ay, so, tiyak yan.
Oo.
Tiyak yan. Anong gusto mong kantahin para sa mga Dabber Cats?
Ano na lang po, mahal na mahal.
Mahal na mahal.
Kasi nga marketing, mahal yung mga bilihin.
Mahal na mahal. Chorus tayo. O, Justin, eto na.
Music.
Hindi mo mo'y maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo?
Hey.
Kung sa oras di ka makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na,
Bakit?
may buhay pa kaya tong puso? Yan lang ang maaari nating sadyang matatanggap.
Let's go, Miles.
Habang ako'y may buhay, mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip mo.
Galing ng spoken poetry. Hindi ko matandaan.
Yan. Eto na, Justin. Simulan na natin ang Game 1!
Justin, A or B lamang, okay?
Mga mga Dabber Cats, pakinggan natin Lucky Robles, the clone of Gary V. It's all, you're my sunshine up to the rain. You're the cure against my fear and my pain. Yes, I'm losing my mind when you're not around. It's all because of you. Baby, I should've known by now. Since we met that day, you sunshine after the rain. You're the cure against my fear and my pain. 'Cause I'm losing my mind when you're not around. It's all because of you.
Tindi ng backup dancers ni Father. Mga backup dancers ni Father.
Si Lucky yan, boss.
Father Lucky. Justin. A or B? Anong tourist attraction sa USA ang na-feature sa music video ng kantang Because of You ng 98 Degrees? Is it A, Times Square, or B, Golden Gate Bridge?
About
Face
this.
the board.
A or B? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Ala.
Hala.
Times Square or Golden Gate?
Kaya naku, pili ka na.
Puntahan mo.
Kahit saan.
Hindi ka na. Ay!
Pinipuntahan mo talaga, like, pag-aeroplane.
Hindi doon. Dito lang.
Sabi niya ay
A po.
A, Times Square.
Hala, sa New York na punta, bossing.
Yung kaya ang na-feature sa music video? Alamin natin. Check or X?
Hala, Justin.
Ala.
Oh, pupunta ka pa na New York.
'Cause I'm losing my mind. Ala.
Ay,
Oh no.
hindi Times Square. Golden Gate.
Oh.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Golden Gate
Oo nga eh, parang wala nga yun. Hindi mo
Yun,
inabutan
oh.
yun eh, no?
Yun yung papuntang Ongpin eh.
Going, bossy.
Ayan, oh.
Jones Bridge pala yun.
Ayan, oh.
Ayan.
Ayan sila oh. 98 degrees. Oh.
Thank you, bossing. At Justin, maraming salamat.
Maraming
din.
Thank you,
Salamat.
Justin.
Thank you po.
Shout out 98 Degrees.
Wow. Uy, bakit galing dito yun, no?
Oo. Eto na, hanap na tayo ng next VIP.
Here we go.
The snowman.
There's a body out of stone. Everybody was terrible. Anyone that was
Oh, you look family.
Wow. Gandang sarap sugatan.
Uy, wag,
Uy, wag
wag.
naman.
Representative natin yan.
Dito tayo. Ito, kasama natin ang... Yeah.
Nagkagandahang
Ay.
mga
Ating mga Miss World. Hi, JV from Davao.
Sino nagsabing ang beauty queen hindi pwedeng cowboy?
Oh, di ba?
Hi, JV.
Hello.
Hi, JV.
Hello po.
JV, tama, you're from Davao,
Yes,
yes?
I'm from Davao region. Hi,
Oh.
everyone.
O JV, kasi ganito, sa Miss World, may talent portion ba?
Yes, meron po.
Oh, dito rin may talent portion.
Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako.
Dahil pagkatapos ng talent portion, of course, may question and answer time.
Yes.
Sa talent muna.
Oh,
Sa'yo ba ikaw ba magka-question sa akin?
of course, here's your question. When's the pageant?
On February 3 on SM Mall of Asia Arena.
Ang galing sumagot. Question and answer.
Next year
Panalo na to, panalo na to.
Thank you.
Pero, eto JV, kailangan mong kantahan ng ating mga Dabber Cats. What would you like to sing for them?
Personally ha, isa-isa, pupuntahan ko sa para mas ramdam natin yung...
Maybe Hello by Adele.
Uy,
Pero wait.
Ay, wait lang daw.
Wait. Hindi. Samahan niyo ako kasi I don't know. Iba ka.
Isa-isa samahan ka namin. Sige.
Sige.
Hello.
Okay.
Sabayan niyo na lang ako.
Ito na ang mga Dabber Cats, ang kanta ng mga call center agents. Hello.
Hello from the other side. I lost a thousand times.
Go, Miley.
Tell you I'm sorry. Breaking your heart and I call you. Never seem to be whole.
Isa pa.
Hello from the other side.
Galing. Yay!
Thank you.
Talent!
JV
Dito po,
of
dito po
Davao.
malalaman na you can't have it all.
Sa'yo nang galing.
Yes.
Eto na.
Pero ito na
Good
ang
luck,
question
JV.
and answer portion. Ito na ang
Game 2!
JV, ang question and answer portion natin dito, A or B lamang. Kaya itong pakinggan mo si Jerome Evardome, ang clone ni Elvis Presley.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, just glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. Well, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. But Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. Well, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. Oh, it's Christmas once more.
Ang tanong, sino ang nag-choreograph nun? JV, A or B? Ano ang original title ng kantang narinig natin na isinulat ni Meredith Wilson noong 1951? Is it A, It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas? Or B, It's Beginning to Look Like Christmas? Parang nagloloko lang, di ba?
Parang parehas lang ah.
Face the board.
A or B? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Saan kaya?
It's beginning to
Talo
look
lang yan sa alat.
a lot like Christmas.
May alat ba o wala?
Nakaw.
Sabi niya, letter A, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Eh, JB.
Tama kaya? Check or X?
Bakit ka napunta doon, JB? Naka. Ala, JB.
Naku.
Ano na? Ayan na.
Ay, mali!
Sayang.
Walang alat. Walang
Walang
alat.
alat.
It's beginning to look like Christmas. Yan yung original title talaga.
Oh, thank you very much, Bossing. And JV, thank you
Thank you,
very much.
JV.
And good luck on the coronation
Good
night.
luck.
Good luck, JV.
Thank you very
And good luck
much.
to our...
Thank you.
Aba, meron pa tayong isa pang VIP!
Let's go, Team Sino. Come on, Team Studio. Frosty the Snowman.
Yun!
Uy, si Snowman.
Kasama natin mismo ngayon, live na live si Frosty the Snowman.
Aba. Hello po.
Yes. Okay, dito po ang diretso uwi.
Kuya Frosty, taga saan po kayo?
Tagig po.
Taga Taguig.
Pangalan,
Kuya, ano
kuya?
pangalan ninyo?
Giovanni po.
Jay.
Giovanni.
Si Kuya Jay.
J1.
J1.
Giovanni.
Yan. Jay, sino yung mga kasama mo?
Yes. Si J2, J3.
Mga kaibigan po.
The Burkads.
Ano pong trabaho po ninyo?
Wala po.
Oh.
Lahat po kayo po.
Nag-alaga ako sa nanay ko nung ano.
Asa si nanay mo?
Wala
Okay. Wait, Kuya Jay, meron ka bang kanta na gustong ihandog sa iyong mga Dabar Cats?
Narda na lang.
Narda!
Narda.
Oh, chorus tayo, Kuya Jay. Here we go! Narda!
Intro na lang. Nananawagan, baka sakaling na pakikinggan. Mag-ibig na pala isipan, sa kanta na lang idaraan. Nakaabang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip, sa likod na mga tala, kahit sulyap lang data.
Ayan na tayo. Game 3. Alright, J1, sa Game 3, ang laro natin ngayon ay suntukan.
Hindi!
True or false? Ito na mga Dabar Cats, Daryl Shane, Jan Danny, ang clone ni Miley Cyrus.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gonna do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money as long as I can feel the beat. I don't need no money as long as I can dancing.
Ano tayo magtatanong mga nakaganto?
J1. J1 ko na lang pag hindi mo nasagot to. J1 na lang, ha? Okay, true or false? Ang kantang Cheap Thrills ay unang nirecord ni Rihanna. Is it true or false? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Nawawa, bakit sa true na punta?
Nakikinig ka ba kay Rihanna, Kuya?
Hoy!
Patay.
Pwede pa lumipat!
Pwede ba lumipat?
Wala na.
Ay,
Pwede. Sorry.
Ba't sinabi ko na pwede na lumipat?
Sayang.
Binigyan ka na ng clue ni Boy.
Ay, naku.
Sabi niya ay true.
Opo.
True kaya?
Ako.
Na unang nag-record ng Cheap Thrills ay si Rihanna? Check or X?
Ayan na, J1! Yay! Akalain mo mapuwan!
Ang totoong nag-record nito ay siya.
Siya. Siya pala.
May konting istorya to eh.
Ayan.
Sinulat ni siya sana para kay Rihanna. Pero nag-pass si Rihanna.
Ayaw ni Rihanna.
Takot to si Rihanna.
Grabe naman yun.
Alam mo kung hindi nag-pass si Rihanna,
Tama.
tama ka.
Tama. Kausapin mo si Rihanna.
Kasalanan ni Rihanna, kanya di ka nanalo.
Thank you, Kuya
Salamat,
J1.
J1. Merry Christmas.
Salamat po. Thank you, bossing.
Ayun, kausapin daw niya muna si Rihanna.
Oo nga. Ako naman. Oh.
Science. Mga Dabar Cats, basta pag nag-clones open, concert na, may ipapremyo pa.
At